This video explains how to install Cobol Check version 010 on a Linux or Unix system. We assume you have the following installed: a Java runtime environment version 1.8 or later, a Cobol compiler, a way to download the distribution archive, and an unzip utility that supports the zip format. Here are the commands to download the distribution archive using curl or wget. If you prefer, you can open a web browser and navigate to the project homepage and download the archive from there. Let's download the distribution now using wget. Now we'll unzip the distribution archive. If all is well, we should be able to run the samples that ship with the distribution. Here's how that looks. If you get errors pertaining to the Java version, it probably means you're using a JRE that's more recent than 1.8. For information about the features in this version, please visit the project on GitHub and check out the documentation on the wiki.